Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today's video is going to be a bloom, and I'm using different colors of green, mostly green. I think there was a challenge on Instagram saying to do a green pour. So I did one, and I want you to come by and watch how I do it. Welcome everybody. I'm going to do a bloom, and I'm going to do green. Okay, so I have, this is Hooker Green by Liquitex Basics. Feels a bit thick. I'll add a bit of water. And I've got 3 pigments and 2 metallics. And this is opaque, that's why it's going on the bottom. I like and suggest you put, if you have an opaque color, it should go near the bottom beside your white or beside your pillow paint. I guess you could put it in the middle, but I don't really do that. Especially this, it's very dark. I think I'll do it in a messy kind of way. So then I have Pinot Gris, which is this little piggy pigment. Its consistency, it's a bit thick. Just going to add a drop of water. I'm just going to pour this down. This is like a greenish, kind of a greenish tinge to it, greenish gray. All right, now I'll put down some Deco Art Peridot Extreme Sheen. This one is actually a lot thinner. So you make a swirl and that stays, and that's not too bad. When I mix my pigments, I either take a bit of my pouring medium, which has JoSonja varnish, polyacrylic, and untinted paint, and put it in the bottom of the cup and add the pigment on top of it in the wet. Just a little bit just to wet it, and then add the rest. Or you can even put a little bit of varnish in your cup and do it that way, just to get it started, and then add the rest of your pouring medium. This is a PBO iridescent green blue. I can smell my dinner cooking. I thought I would run down here and do a quick video while my dinner is in the oven. Okay, do some apple green, and this is a Acrylic pigment. And then I got some pearl white. And then I'm going to use a black Cell Activator. This is a Acrylic pigment. I know this isn't green, but it's just a bit of contrast. Mostly greens. All right. All right, I have, what is this one? Oh, it's just looking for my lids. Here we go. I'll put the colors in the description under the video. I think today I'll just use my straw. Quick torch. All right, so here's some black Cell Activator. It's Australian Floetrol and all right. Wow. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. That's pretty nice. I wonder if I should do a swirl. will. And then I'll spin it. Well, that looks pretty. Wow. One spin. So I can I don't want it to I don't want to disturb the pattern. If I tilt it, it might go all wonky on me. I'll leave the white negative space. It's very pretty. I think it'll dry nice and shiny. So there you go. It's my green spiral bloom. It's pretty nice. Not even any white bubbles coming up. There's a bubble. I'll get him before he pops. Just went like that, so I went like that. There. All right, thanks for coming by, and have a good day, and come back to my art room. I'll put the dried result at the end. If you haven't subscribed already, could you please subscribe? That would really help me out. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye-bye. Hello, everybody. Here's my dried swirl bloom that I swirled. Very, very pretty. The piggy, I think it was the Pinot Gris and apple green, really showed up nice. I don't know where the purple came from. There's turquoise blue. Anyways, it dried really, it's drying, it's a little wet right there, but it's really nice and smooth. And there's the sides. It's nice how it drips down the sides. There you go. Have a good day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room.